Alright, bro, let's keep it real for a second. You see relationships failing left and right nowadays, and most guys are completely confused about why she suddenly lost interest. You ever have things going great, and then suddenly her vibe changes, and your brain instantly starts panicking? You think fixing it is about memorizing the right scripts or saying the perfect lines. But looking good and having the right words will not save you if your vibe is off. Conversations and relationships do not fail because of the data you transfer with your mouth. They fail because of the energy and tension you bring into the room. Today, we are breaking down the real, psychological reasons modern relationships fall apart. Point number 1, the performance trap. The first reason relationships fail is that guys treat them like a performance instead of a shared experience. Tell me if this is you. You were loud and goofy with your mates, but the second you are with her, you turn into a shy, silent, or worse, you become a dancing monkey who thinks he needs to juggle entertainment just to keep her attention. Women are incredibly intuitive readers of energy. They can sense when you switch your personality just for them, and because it feels fake, they do not trust it. When you are stuck in your head trying to direct a movie, rather than just being in the room, it builds tension, and the golden rule of social dynamics is that tension kills connection. Point number 2, emotional dumping. A lot of guys will notice a tiny shift in a girl's mood and instantly start asking, "Are you mad at me? Did I do something wrong?" Bro, she is probably just having a normal day. Women lose attraction incredibly fast when they feel like they have to babysit your emotions or be emotionally responsible for you. Instead of seeking constant validation, you need to handle your own emotions first. The next time you feel that panic, do a nervous system reset. Drop your shoulders by 2 inches, unclench your jaw, and take a deep breath into your belly. If you walk into an interaction tense, she mirrors that anxiety. If you approach it relaxed, she mirrors your relaxation. Calm dissolves fear. Point number 3, a lack of boundaries and purpose. If you reply to her texts in 0.2 seconds like you are on a mission and always cancel your plans for her, you are showing her you have unlimited free time. Unlimited free time usually means you have no life, no purpose, and no momentum, which is deeply unattractive. Furthermore, if she cancels last minute or disrespects your time, and you just say, "It's okay, no worries," she will start seeing you as a guy she can walk all over. Women can only be attracted to a man they actually respect. You need to have your own routine, set calm boundaries, and only reply when you are actually free. So here is the bottom line. Stop seeking approval and stop trying to force the connection. You do not need to perform. You just need to be comfortable inside your own skin. Now that you know exactly why these dynamics fail, you need to rebuild your foundational habits so you naturally project magnetic, grounded energy. Hit that subscribe button right now and join the community. And as always, I will see you in the next one. Peace out, guys.